Welcome to Bank Dubai's Ahead of the Week report, with you since 2012 to cover the world's major investment events and help traders prepare their weekly calendar. Here's a quick recap of the main asset trends last week. The euro was up as political events in the UK confirmed new Prime Minister Theresa May temporarily calming investor anxieties over the Brexit. The USD was down, shrugging off better than expected NFP results as Federal Reserve concerns dominated investor sentiment. The GBP was initially up, but then fell back down after the Bank of England kept interest rates steady, disappointing investor expectations of an intervention to avoid a recession in the UK. Gold was down after the surge seen in the wake of the Brexit. Oil was down on a lack of market-moving news. The trading event of the week is on Tuesday when the UK releases the latest consumer price index, showing price growth for the month of June. The Brexit vote was on June 23rd, and a knock-on impact on consumer spending and prices is expected because of the weakness in the pound sterling. In the first day after the Brexit vote, cable went from one of the most stable major currencies in the world to one of the most vulnerable to volatility, meaning plenty of price action for traders. On Monday the 18th, NAHB releases the US Housing Index for July at 1400 with an expected impact on the USD. Last seen at the level of 60, the indicator is a good insight into the health of the US housing market. Trading opportunities on the GBP are likely at 0830 on Tuesday the 19th, when the UK releases its latest inflation results for June. Previously at the level of 0.3% on a monthly basis, the prices in the UK are expected to be impacted by the Brexit vote and subsequent drop in the value of the pound sterling. Swiss franc traders may see opportunities on Wednesday the 20th, when the ZEW Economic Survey for Switzerland is released at 0900. Economic sentiment's not at its height in Switzerland, last seen at the level of 19.4. Any sluggishness in this indicator will be bearish for the currency, while any unexpected bullish result could boost the CHF. The highlight on Thursday the 21st is at 11:45 when the European Central Bank releases its interest rate decision. The ECB is holding its key rate at a historic low of 0%, and given the slow recovery in the European markets, the dovishness looks set to continue in the short term. A press conference held at 12:30 also holds some crucial insights into the monetary policymakers' strategy, and there could be some volatility ahead for the euro during these events. Friday the 22nd of July is a market-moving day for the Canadian dollar, which may see some action when the Bank of Canada releases the Consumer Price Index for June at 12:30. The CPI was last seen at the healthy level of 1.5% on an annual basis, and any upside or downside results could impact the CAD. Now on to our trading tip based on your frequently asked questions. What is the Federal Reserve's current stance? The Federal Reserve has not raised interest rates so far in 2016, despite its intention to hike them 4 times this year. Its current stance is dovish because of the hits and misses in the US economy. The NFP is still inconsistent. In May, it was heavily under expectations, and in June, it was over expectations. So the Fed still doesn't have the confidence to move forward with more rate hikes. Remember to follow us on Facebook for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip, and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.